Based on its years of experience, Ferrotec provides process tool parts cleaning services for the components of semiconductor production equipment and the FPD manufacturers of LCD and OLED panels. To reduce the number of defective devices produced during semiconductor and FPD manufacturing, it is essential to remove particle depositions from reactive gases from the tool parts of equipment. Ferrotec uses techniques such as chemical washing and supersonic cleaning to remove these contaminants. We use optimal surface treatment, such as sandblasting, plasma spraying and plating, based on customer specifications, and then perform regeneration cleaning. Plasma spraying uses a plasma jet to melt powdered material and create a thin film by spraying it onto a surface. This provides the surface with properties such as abrasion, thermal, corrosion, and insulation resistance. We clean high-purity process tool parts for semiconductor production equipment supporting the latest miniaturization requirements. We are equipped with Class 100 clean rooms, where we perform high-accuracy, nano-level cleaning. Almost all of China's major semiconductor and panel manufacturers use Ferrotec's cleaning services, thus making us the market leader in China in this field. Process tool parts cleaning is performed regularly and has become a stock business with regular orders producing consistent revenue. This makes these cleaning services a core part of our business foundation.